Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Okay, so this is the report part we were talking about. Yes, run the program status. Okay, just have a quick look here. Program status. What is the difference between the first and the second option? Is one this program status, and that is one called program status CSV. Okay, so program status, CSSV and program status are almost the same, but CSV is just another file that you get in the CSV form because the success factor mostly supports CSV. Okay, got it. Another you can run in the as an Excel sheet. You know why is it asking for name? Is it instead of the program? Which one, Sari? I can't really see. You see say user. Why is it program status is a user? They are. They are teaching me only generating for me. So I should be a program ID, right? Hold on, where shall I go? Because I'm looking at this, that the person is choosing the, it's choosing the user. Because you're running this for a particular user, right? Okay, but no, I'm running it for a particular person. So if I, or then would not be this, right? If I running for a particular program, user status, right? This one. But I want to run a program and have the program ID. I can run the program ID to see who are the user in that program. Yeah, that's okay. Whatever you program you run, that will show you that detail only. It just says that you are running this for active users only, where this program is assigned. So let's say some people are terminated. Why would you run that report right now? No, I'm talking about the truth before this screen. They actually search for the person, not the program. If you see this, they actually search for the user, not based on program. So that's why I'm asking you, is it only can search by user or can search by program? No, we can search by program also. Okay, because this particular one is run by person. Excuse me. That's why I was asking about status. I'm asking that initial pages they run by user. See, it's not running by the run by a user. So this is my question. You see each user you want to include. Yeah, so you're running this for you. I mean user. No, you're running it for you. You only want to run it for program. Program to know who is a user. Okay, so how should I? Simple what you can do when you run the program. Status report. You don't choose anything. I am choosing one employee. Either you can do one. Either you select everyone or you just go see the filter purpose. Okay. So you don't use any user. You just click on it program status. You run the entire report only for program. You just provide program's ID. In this example, it's just showing that what is the status of this particular program for this user. Yeah, you can run it for programmers. Okay, understand. So I'm wondering, is it only for the user? Thank you. So this one helps. So, we can. So I can run a program status report. So as I shared, so how do you edit the description means can I? After I create a new program and everything right, but suddenly we notice all the description it's need to edit. So I try to edit. I can't find any edit button. Let me show you a very simple one. Not sure whether is it because some need to. Yeah, so you see I know okay. Nothing. So you know right when you have assigned this program to people that will have an impact. Yeah, so generally but still I doesn't show where to edit. You can create an overview or there's a modified. Okay, modified title. Title house is that I want to tie description house. Yep. Modify program. Lesson overview setting how 1-2. Let's go here. Let's see. Okay. I have to go to the next one. I tried created by what you thought, so I created. I was trying to show you on. The system was quite easier there, but I went to try on the production team. I went to try alive on see how it works. So now probably is I can cancel. So oh my god, I did a testing, but I cannot cancel. So I'm trying to see how to cancel it because I did in a production. So adding a program we already did right. Yes, I tried. Yeah, I follow. Yeah, that's a problem. So shall we move to the content management? What content management? The online content management. Oh no, I was asking how do you edit the description? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you in the system or the system is not there. You generally go and search for the program here actually. This is the part. The description is the one I cannot. This is the one, this one, right? Yeah, the one that cannot delete once I created. No, we can do it. We have. Can we move backwards and forward more? Because there's one called modify the program. Does that teach us how to do it? No, it's not there. That's a different modification, but I'll show you. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay, because I saw there's a word say modify. Right? This one right lesson overview. It's not the same, okay? And just the part of description. I cannot. some of this program looks like on the home page. Okay, let's go to the next one, cover page or higher onboarding program. You see this in the cover page. This is the part I cannot edit. Oh, it actually can edit. How do you do that? That's what I'm saying, so you can see. Oh, it is. Our HTML text may be added to the description and the system will display the result when the user views the program details. Oh, so little bit of information. So if I click that, you can. Oh, I tried. See, I can enter program description. Oh, it says that all localized field permitting the admins to enter translation for languages. Interesting, because I tried to click on that particular. Maybe you can just clear out caches. Sometimes it doesn't allow because of the caches, and otherwise just log out and log in on the maybe incognito mode. Oh, okay, sorry. Our computer doesn't have incognito mode. It is disabled. The company doesn't allow. Okay, so now okay. Thank you so much. Okay, see, if you go by the concept of online content management, see what is that. So I am giving you some training online, and there I have some material that I'm sharing beforehand, or maybe I'm sharing it with the candidates to go through. Now I want to share. Yeah, I want to change that online content. So maybe when I created something, I said, okay, let's after this. I want to change this detail. Yeah, so how will you do that? So first of all, let's go and see how to create a content object. Yeah, so we could click go. I'm doing this training for the entire, people, batch of the people. How would I create a normal content where I'm going to give you a training for? Simply go here and I click on this content. So it's just that I'm creating a new content for my training and the content object. Add, give all the basic details. So this is the basic one that we have created. Okay. That's the very normal one that we have created, and we are going to assign it to the site. This is a very simple one, so you need to do score modeling, then it will be a different thing. So this is one I created, and now create an item. Of course, on the item I will assign it there, which is one normal one. Configure an instructor lead with online content now. This is very important. This one. This is normal. We create the online item which we already know. Let's go and see that. Instantly okay. We go to this learning activity. Go to instructor lead okay. Can I ask? The only time we need to add an item to this item is only when it's an instructor leader with online content. See, I'll tell you a very basic thing. Whatever you do in LMS, everything will have an impact on item. Because as an employee, you don't know what is online content management. You don't know what is a program domain. When you go to your homepage as an employee, you see the item that are assigned to you. Getting me? So that's why when we create anything, we assign either to a directly an item or we assign it to maybe, let's say, program or maybe curriculum. And then that is also assigned to an item. Item is nothing but a course, and that's what we access, right? So that's why you will see item everywhere. Oh, so in order for employees to see, you have to create an item to attach them to it. Whatever you have created, you have to attach to that item, otherwise there is no use of it. Whatever you are creating, you're creating for the users, right? Okay, yes, oh, okay. So understand. So even for online content, I need to attach to item also. Correct. What is content? Content is what you are reading, right? What you're learning from and where will you learn it from? Item. Okay, so I attach the item. Okay, thank you, no problem. And instructor led or maybe blended, whatever it is a kind of item. Just the way how you are actually approaching to the item. Okay, understand. So that is how we just created the blended one and we are creating the content for that item. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. This we already did as an item. Problem. So this way I don't online content. Oh, what is the content package? The package. So packages like when you have bought something, like I go to Google and buy an entire package from it, package which has HTML, CQL or maybe XML at the same time. Okay, I bought the package and I assigned that package to directly that item. So everything that comes under, that's why. Oh, but I must add the package to the LMS first, right? Then we can add a package. I love those. You want to press play. You're getting it right. It's just step by step. It's only the uploading information. Maybe the one, but at least I'm understanding. If I need help, I can check with the IT team. Because I think the IT is only one can upload. But at least I understand now. But you should have some idea around it. Of course, you will be looking after it somewhere. Yeah. So I have an idea how it looks like. Okay. Eh, Bye. 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 This is a simple one wherein we assign it to an unsecured employee. Okay, content package. This is very important. I have a content wherein I added all the assignments. that needs to be there in order to go through. Now I want to edit it. First of all, I go and check for that particular content package. Okay, now this is my package. Okay, I click on edit. The content object is the one we created earlier. Right. Oh, I'm searching and going to make some edits. Change to another one. Okay, I'm going to add this part as well. So I said add okay. So I added it, added the same object as well. Now the structure. Oh, just to remove one, to add one. Now these are quite technical ones wherein you have to have some idea on AICC wrapper content. But let me show you quickly. And this is never done by what does ICC stand for. That's a language you can say. Oh, okay. AICC. So now we are mostly all using SEOM, right, or HTML5. Okay. So why I'm doing it? I'm doing it because now when you access this learning, how would I know that? How would system know that? Sometimes you see what happens. You go and you completed your training. Let's say 50% or 40%. Okay, when you come back, system asks, do you want to resume from there? Have you seen it? Yes, it says that. Yeah, you finish halfway through. Yeah, a communication bridge, I would say from the content between content and the element. Okay? So I say okay, online file name wrapper to me. It's got parameters. Oh, so this is how you create a wrapper. But this one is the technical part, right? Oh, okay. But interesting, you know. Oh, so this is how. Understanding your method. For reporting new reporting. I mean, the basic reporting is already there, but to learn how to create new reports in elements, you need to have some idea around SQL. But don't worry, I'll explain you the basics as well. So again, this is quite a normal one. Let me show you the next one. Okay. So we have one which is certificate. We already did the notification and certification. But yes, a bit part of the certificate. We will go through and reports, right? These two things are there. So for reports, of course, we need to learn about SQL a bit. Okay. So I'll show you the basics of SQL in detail for 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes so that you have a fair idea how to add it. Rest, everything in reports are already available. We just go and run that report, right? And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.